easily add a reminder to your Google Keep. So, Google Keep is a part of Google Suites that helps you save a bunch of different things that are happening. So, I'm going to give you an example. So, I'm going to go in and I'm on John Brightwood's account, and he has a couple different emails from Miss Novak that give him some things that he has to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into his email, and it says, "Hi, fifth grade, good morning. Use the attached PDF to sign up for Explore Learning." So I know that he needs to sign up for Explore Learning today. So I'm going to go over to the side to this little yellow square that has a light bulb on it, and I'm going to click Google Keep. And so it says, I don't have any notes yet, but they're going to show up right here. So I'm going to go take note, and it's attaching the email already for me. So I'm going to call it science work, and then I'm going to say sign up for Explore Learning. And then I'm going to go to here to the menu, make sure that it's there, and then I'm going to press done. So now the note is there. So now the next thing that I want to do is I want to go and see what other emails I have. So let's go to my other work. This says your science work for today. Okay, that's the PDF to sign up for Explore Learning. Okay, I already made a note of that. Don't need to do that. And then I'm going to see here, it says, oh, sign up for SciFest All Access. Okay, so I have to do that too. So I'm going to go back to Google Keep. I'm going to go here to where it says science. I'm going to go to take a note. This one says sign up for SciFest All Access. So I'm going to put science work again. And then I'm going to put sign up for SciFest. And then I'm going to click done. Okay, so now I have my two notes. And then what I'm actually going to be able to do is I'm going to open up a new tab. And I'm just going to go to Google Keep. So I'll just type it in the search bar. It'll bring up the Google Keep. And I can see it right here. This is Miss Novak's account. I was practicing. Let's go into John Brightwood's account. And I can see that I have two notes that say science work, sign up for SciFest, and sign up for Explore Learning. Now what I can do once I'm in here, let's say I'm going to pick green for science. I can change my color to green so that I have it. Then once I'm done, I can just click the check mark and I can click show checkboxes once I'm in here, and I can click the checkbox once I'm done. So if I sign up for SciFest, check, I'm done. If I sign up for Explore Learning, same thing. I'm going to show the checkboxes, sign up, I'm done. Now I also remember that I have to study for my math test. So what I can do is I can add a new list. Let's say study. And so we need to study for our math test, and we need to study for our music test. So I'm going to put those on, and I'm going to change that to blue because that's the color I want to use for studying. I'm going to press close, and now that note's up here. Once I study for the math test, I can check it off, and the music test. So then I can access this anywhere I want, and now I have all of the things that I need to do. Once I'm completely done with the note, I can just click archive right here, and then it'll delete the note off of my page, and I can actually go back to my archives later if I need to. The last thing that you want to do is when you click here, you can also do something where you can add a reminder. So you click right here to remind me. So maybe later tonight at 8 p.m., I want a reminder to come to me saying that I need to study. And that's how you use Google Keep. You can definitely play around with it a lot more and see all of the things that you can do.